Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Floating Mattress is probably one of the most sought-after items for anyone looking to maximize their enjoyment of a sunny day on the water, offering a unique blend of relaxation and fun right in the middle of a lake or pool. Imagine yourself effortlessly drifting, soaking up the sun, and having a refreshing drink within arm's reach, all while being comfortably supported by a buoyant and durable surface. This isn't just about lounging, it's about creating an unforgettable aquatic experience, whether you're with family, friends, or enjoying a moment of solitude amidst the gentle ripples of the water. Number 5. SWIMLINE Suntan Tub Series Classic Inflatable Lounge. Experience unparalleled relaxation with our innovative Suntan tub. Its unique design and integrated headrest ensure maximum comfort for hours of enjoyment under the sun. Beat the heat by filling the interior with water, transforming it into your personal cool oasis. The clear top design keeps you refreshed while you soak up the sun. Navigate with ease thanks to the integrated grab line and pad eyes. You can even tie it to other floats for a shared experience on the water. Crafted from high-quality, UV-resistant vinyl, this lounger is built to last. It's simple to clean, inflate, deflate, and store, making it perfect for any adventure. Measuring 70 by 46 inches, it offers ample space for you to stretch out and unwind. The heavy-duty construction ensures it can handle all your lounging needs. Designed with your comfort in mind, the ribbed interior and adjustable headrest provide exceptional support. You'll want to stay in it all day long. What we like? This one is designed to keep you cool. You can fill the interior with water for a refreshing experience. If you are looking for a way to stay extra cool while lounging, this is the one for you. What people say? The mattress is very comfortable and easy to inflate. It is durable and holds air well, even after several uses. The design is great for lounging on the lake, with plenty of space for 2 people. Number 4. Intex Tote and Float Wave Mat. Introducing the Intex Tote and Float Wave Mat, your perfect companion for a day of relaxation. Designed for ultimate comfort, it's ideal for both pools and lakes. Crafted from durable vinyl, this lounger features a built-in pillow rest for added comfort. It's designed to hold up to 250 pounds, ensuring a secure and enjoyable experience. Enjoy hassle-free setup with its quick and easy inflation system. You can even inflate it beforehand, roll it up, and take it straight to the water. With 2 air chambers and double-sealed edges, this mat is built to last. The integrated pillow rest provides extra comfort as you float the day away. This durable lounger is ready for any water adventure. A repair patch is included, ensuring you can easily fix any minor issues and continue the fun. Please note that the color of your float may vary, adding a fun surprise to your purchase. Get ready to make a splash in vibrant style. What we like? This float is incredibly easy to use and transport. It rolls up compactly for convenient carrying. If you prioritize portability and quick setup for spontaneous trips to the pool or lake, this is a great choice. What people say? The mattress is very comfortable and stays inflated for a long time. It is easy to inflate and deflate, and it folds up compactly for storage. The material is durable and resistant to punctures. Number 3. TRC Recreation Sunsation Foam Pool Float Lounger. Experience total relaxation with this premium foam float. Its superior buoyancy and durable design ensure all-day comfort for your enjoyment. Relax in style with the built-in roll pillow. It cradles your head and neck, providing extra comfort for a truly great floating experience. Enjoy simple cleanup thanks to the waterproof vinyl coating. For extended life, store it flat and dry, and clean with mild soap and water. Whether at the pool, lake, or beach, this spacious float offers plenty of room for your solo relaxation needs. TRC Recreation is a leading innovator in water recreational products. Trust in our commitment to exceptional quality for your enjoyment. What we like? Experience ultimate relaxation with its luxurious thick foam. It offers superior buoyancy and durability for all-day comfort. If you desire a premium, maintenance-free lounging experience with excellent support, this is the float you've been searching for. What people say? The mattress is very comfortable and easy to inflate. It is durable and holds air well, even after several uses. The design is practical, with a built-in cup holder and a comfortable headrest. Number 2. TRC Recreation Sunsation 1.75 Foam Pool Lounger. Experience ultimate comfort with our thick, buoyant foam lounger. Its smooth, vinyl-coated surface is designed for extended relaxation in the water. Enjoy a perfectly relaxed floating posture with the built-in roll pillow. It provides excellent support for your head and neck, whether you're at the pool, lake, or beach. Crafted from durable, vinyl-coated foam, this lounger resists water absorption, chemicals, and sun exposure. It's built to last through countless swimming sessions. With ample space, this adult-sized lounger allows you to stretch out and find your most comfortable position. No inflation needed, just pure relaxation. Keeping it clean is simple. Just wipe it down with mild soap and water. It's easy to maintain for all your summer adventures and for storage during the off-season. What we like? This float provides stable body support with its thick foam. It's designed for extended time in the water without needing inflation. If you want a reliable, no-fuss float that offers consistent comfort and support for adults, consider this option. What people say. The mattress is large enough for 2 adults to comfortably lounge on. It inflates quickly with an electric pump and holds air well throughout the day. The built-in cup holders are a convenient feature for keeping drinks within reach. Number 1. TRC Recreation Splash Foam Pool Float. Experience total relaxation with this premium foam float. It offers superior buoyancy and long-lasting durability for all-day poolside comfort. Relax in style with the integrated roll pillow that cradles your head and neck. It provides extra comfort and support for a great floating experience. Enjoy simple cleanup with the sleek, easy-clean waterproof vinyl coating. For longer life, store flat and dry, avoiding extreme temperatures. Whether you're lounging by the pool, lake, or the beach, this spacious float offers plenty of room for solo relaxation. TRC Recreation continues to be a leading innovator and manufacturer of exceptional water and outdoor recreational products. Trust in our quality for your enjoyment. What we like? Enjoy total relaxation with this premium foam lounger. Its durable, vinyl-coated design ensures long-lasting comfort and buoyancy. If you're seeking a robust and comfortable floating solution that's easy to maintain and built to last, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The mattress is very easy to inflate and deflate, making it convenient for transport and storage. It holds air well and stays inflated for extended periods, providing a stable surface for relaxation on the water. The design is comfortable and supportive, allowing users to lounge in the water without feeling unstable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.